One of the last touch points of your event that a designer has to consider is their share card. The share card is a customizable representation of your event that is easily shareable across SMS text, email, and social media. This can be edited from the event overview page by clicking into the share card touchpoint. As we click into the share card workspace, we see the share card at the center of the screen. Understand that the layout of the share card is going to be different from theme to theme potentially. Depending on your theme you are using for your event page, your share card will be designed to complement or reflect the layout of the event. That being said, every share card can be customized. To change the design of your share card, click into the Layout tab on the right side of the workspace to begin redesigning. You'll find that the Share Card Workspace's Layout tab resembles the Event Page Workspace's Layout tab. Elements can be added, deleted, rearranged, and reformatted. For some designers, simply updating the background of the share card to be the brand's logo or attractive image will be enough to draw your attendees in. The only restriction is that the designer is limited to the 250 by 350 pixel canvas. The rest is up to them. Remember, the share card will populate when the user shares their URL on Facebook, Twitter, on messaging applications like Slack, inside SMS text messages, and of course, the Splashhost app. Since all share cards are designed by default to populate dynamic information like the event's title and start time, the designer will never have to even visit the share card touchpoint. But I always find it as an opportunity to put a nice finishing touch to keep my event on brand and visually attractive. After all, the more pretty things for your attendees to click on, the better.